up! Leave! Nobody's home!
Trick or trick!
It's a little late to be trick-or-treating, don't you think? How old are you?
10.
Yeah, nice try. Get out of here.
Treat or trick?
Tonight is for children. Do you really want to steal from kids? Wow. Fine, here. Now leave.
Not much for chocolate. You got anything else?
No, I don't.
Nice houses like this usually have fridges, cabinets, cellars.
You're crazy.
Crazy? Crazy? Moi? Just because I don't like chocolate? That's not very fair, now is it?
What do you want? Eggs, bread, cereal?
What kind of cereal? Hey! Face me. Shreddies and Kashi? You may as well have offered me paper. You gotta have something sweet.
I don't.
What was that look?
What? Look.
The glance towards that direction.
Nothing.
What are you hiding?
The cans, beans, soups.
You are a terrible liar. You pretend to be loyal to your fellow trick-or-treaters when we both know you ate most of that box. And you shut your lights off pretty early, didn't you?
I wouldn't dare.
Your Mars Bar's Jersey Milk Breath says otherwise. What else are you hiding?
Please.
What? I thought it was just beans.
Please, I beg of you.
Treat or trick? Jackpot.
Drop the goods.
Never.
Now.
No.
Trick and treat, biatch.